In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wix website. If you've decided a site is no longer needed, maybe it was a test project, a client draft, or a duplicate, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely from your account. Start by making sure you're viewing your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center you see after signing in, with your site management tools along the top and left. From here, look to the top left corner of the dashboard. You'll see the current site name displayed there. Click that site name. This opens a small menu that helps you navigate between your different projects. In the menu that appears, select All Sites. This takes you to a page that lists every website connected to your Wix account in one place. Take a moment to find the exact site you intend to delete. Look carefully at the site title and thumbnail. And if you have similar names, hover to preview details so you don't remove the wrong one. When you've found the site you want to delete, move your cursor over it and click the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This menu contains several options you might recognize, like rename or duplicate. But for our purpose, choose Move to Trash. If a confirmation prompt appears, read it, then confirm to proceed. After this action, the site will be moved out of your active list and placed in the trash area of your account. From that moment, the site is effectively unpublished. Visitors will no longer reach it at its web address, and any connected custom domain can be reassigned whenever you're ready. A few quick notes before you finish. Moving a site to trash removes it from your active sites and makes it inaccessible to visitors, but it doesn't cancel any domain or premium subscriptions tied to that site. If you have paid services connected, manage those separately in your billing settings to avoid ongoing charges. Also, if you think you might need the site content later, consider duplicating the site or saving key assets before you start this process. That way, you keep a backup for future reference. Once you've selected Move to Trash, you're done. Your list of active sites will update and the deleted site will no longer appear there. That's all it takes. Quick, clean, and under a minute. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep this process handy for tidying up old drafts and keeping your workspace organized.